dealt with the feet and calves. We've dealt with the thighs and knees. And now we're going to deal with them as a whole. Your thighs, calves, and feet come together to make foundation. The foundation of your body. Foundation of your body is what upholds your body. So now, if you didn't know, your body is a separate entity, your upper body is a separate entity, and your arms hang. This means at any point that your foundation can't uphold your body, and just let it hang. From this hanging point, now you have your arms. They should be able to reach down and hang and swipe your feet. No matter how unhealthy, sick, messed up, or constrained you are. If you can't do at least that much, you're at a critical stage. You're at a critical stage, and you may not feel critical, but that is a critical stage anytime that you can't reach down and grab your feet. That is the basic biological function of every creature on this planet, that they can reach down and touch the ground. That's reach down and touch the ground without bending your legs. But the secondary function of every biological creature is that they can bend their legs. So you need to be able to bend your legs to the full extent. If you happen to be damaged, this is after the fact, but coming from birth, you're supposed to move all of your body parts so that you never lose this ability. As you live life, you may get damaged. That's another conversation. But even in a damaged state, you should have your basic abilities, unless they've been mutilated. You should be able to stand. You should be able to bend with both and support yourself. You should be able to bend with one and support yourself. Whether you're upwardly supporting yourself or you're downwardly supporting yourself, it's a relaxed state. Mentally, it's the same state. So now if you feel there's a difference between my leg is bent but my body is lower, I mean this is relaxed, versus my leg is bent but I'm trying to uphold myself, that means there's tension here versus here. It does not matter because you control your body parts. So now, this right here is nothing but the essence of bringing your legs to your upper body. Whereas this right here is the essence of bringing your upper body to your lower body. The power of your legs, your foundation is rooted in this area here, your buttocks and genitalia. So now, you have to keep this area healthy. And this is what brings your legs together. So this area is vital. Not only for the movement of your legs, but for the ability of your whole body, because this is the energy source that feeds your legs and it feeds your upper body. So this right here is priority. And there's only 3 priorities. Your genitals, or your this area, your heart, because it pumps the power throughout your whole body, and your brain, because that's the nervous center that controls every portion of your body. Now, your body can move on automatic by itself without these areas in control. But we're talking about multi-genius by nature, which means that you have to have control over all your parts, and you have to have control over them to a point where you're not thinking about it. So you're not supposed to think about this area. You're not supposed to think about your heart or your lungs breathing. You're not supposed to think about your mind thinking. All of this is already supposed to be potent in its own essence. So now, you want to move. Now we're back to foundation. Now that you understand how important this area is, because remember, this is what supports the power of your thighs, so that your thighs can support the power of your calves. No matter how the muscles are, they still have to hang on a device that keeps them together and keeps them supported. Because if this right here is damaged in any way that deals with function, you can't even lift your feet off of the ground. So it's important to understand this is the foundation to everything. And then we move down the scale till you hit the ground. Because on the same concept perspective, if this is damaged, you're not moving anything up here as well. So this right here is key to everything, but this is the lower. This is connected to your foundation. Whereas the core, as some may speak, that's dealing with your upper body. But we're just speaking about the lower foundation. And that's this area in your thighs to your calf and feet. So now you want to move. You want to move your body separate. Your lower body is going to move in a fashion as if your upper body did not exist. This is how you understand, do you have foundation to your core? And I would explain. Look at my movements right quick and understand I'm moving. Upper body is regardless, is unaddressed. If you did not recognize, all of the motions was my lower body. When you're dealing with foundation, you want to move your lower body and don't think about anything above your waistline. Turn that off. and move. And see how your body moves when your lower body is in the driver's seat and your upper body has to just go along for the ride. This is when you learn how your body actually moves. And this is when you can really understand how to control your mind. When first comes the foundation. Remember, first comes the foundation. Then the body can understand what's its position in life when your foundation dictates where you are. These simple physical practices is how you begin to set that off.